The CEO of Bugatti just declared war on a garage mechanic. Matt Armstrong bought a wrecked $6 million Bugatti Chiron, but when he tried to fix it, Bugatti's billionaire CEO Mate Rimac stepped in. Rimac publicly refused to sell Matt any parts, claiming a home garage rebuild is a massive safety hazard. But Matt didn't back down. Instead of paying Bugatti's insane $100,000 repair bills, he exposed their secrets, proving that some of their hypercar parts are just cheap cast aluminum. Now, with Bugatti officially refusing to support his rebuild, Matt is doing the unthinkable. He is splitting the $6 million car in half.
Is it 3 places in the world now?
To CNC machine his own custom parts. Is Bugatti right to protect their brand, or are they just terrified of a YouTuber? Let me know whose side you're on in the comments. But if Bugatti thought cutting off his parts supply would stop him, they were dead wrong. Matt found a massive loophole that made the corporate executives even angrier. Since he couldn't buy parts directly from the factory, he went underground. He tracked down another completely destroyed Bugatti, formerly owned by YouTuber Alex G, and started harvesting its surviving organs. And to add the ultimate insult to injury, Matt transported over $100,000 worth of these extremely rare Bugatti parts inside a cheap, bright pink suitcase. It was the ultimate middle finger to the elite supercar industry. He is literally reviving a dead hypercar using salvage scrap, home tools, and pure garage engineering. The corporate giants are terrified because Matt is proving you don't need $1 million facility to rebuild a masterpiece. The war is far from over. Will Matt actually get this Frankenstein Bugatti to drive? Or will Bugatti find a legal way to shut him down completely? Subscribe and drop a comment right now. Are you team corporate or team mechanic?
3, 2, 1, go.